Hey there, food lovers! Today, we're going to dive into the world of cinnamon rolls. These sweet, fluffy, and delicious treats are a staple in many households, and today, we're going to show you how to make them from scratch. So, let's get started. First things first, we need to make the dough. To do this, we'll need 1 cup of warm milk, a half cup of sugar, 2 packages of active dry yeast, a half cup of softened butter, 2 eggs, 4 cups of all-purpose flour, and 1 teaspoon of salt. Start by combining the warm milk and sugar in a large bowl. Sprinkle the yeast on top and let it sit for about 5 minutes, or until it becomes foamy. Then, add the butter, eggs, flour, and salt, and mix everything together until you have a smooth dough. Next, cover the bowl with a towel and let the dough rise in a warm place for about an hour, or until it has doubled in size. Once it's ready, punch it down and roll it out on a floured surface into a large rectangle. Now, it's time to add the cinnamon filling. Melt a half cup of butter and mix it with 1 cup of sugar and 2 tablespoons of cinnamon. Spread this mixture evenly over the dough, leaving a 1-inch border on all sides. Roll the dough up tightly, starting with the long side, and pinch the seam to seal it. Then, cut the roll into 12 equal pieces and place them in a greased 9x 13-inch baking dish. Cover the dish with a towel and let the rolls rise for another 30 minutes. While the rolls are rising, preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Once they're ready, bake them for 20–25 minutes, or until they're golden brown. And there you have it, freshly baked cinnamon rolls. To make the icing, simply mix 1 cup of powdered sugar with 1 tablespoon of milk and a half teaspoon of vanilla extract. Drizzle the icing over the warm rolls and enjoy. Thank you so much for joining me today. I hope you enjoyed this cinnamon roll recipe and found it helpful. If you did, please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, and be sure to follow and subscribe for more delicious recipes. Happy baking!